Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's vlog, I am going to share with you some simple and powerful tips on how to learn to speak English fluently. If you are someone who understands English but cannot speak confidently, then this video is just for you. So stay tuned till the end because I am going to tell you practical method that really work. Part 1. Understand why you want to learn English. Before you start learning English, ask yourself, why do I want to speak English? Is it for your job, for travel, for studies, or just to feel more confident? When you know your reason, you stay motivated. Even when learning feels difficult, remember learning English is not just about grammar, it is about communication. You want to express yourself, not just memorize word. Part to think in English. One of the biggest mistake people make is that they think in their native language and then translate into English. This process take time and creates hesitation. So start small. For example, you are looking at the sky, say to yourself, the sky is beautiful today. If you are cooking, say, I am working tea. The more you think in English, the faster your mind will get used to the language. Part 3. Practice speaking every day. You cannot learn to swim by reading about swimming, right? The same goes for English. You cannot learn to speak without actually speaking. So talk every day, even if it's just you yourself. Stand in front of the mirror and speak about your day. Today I woke up at 7. I went to work. I met my friend. Don't worry about mistake. Mistake means you are learning. You can also join online speaking groups, English club, or use apps where you can talk to learners around the world. The more you speak, the more confident you become. Part 3. Learn vocabulary naturally. Vocabulary is important, but don't try to learn hundreds of words in one day. Listen, learn 5 to 10 useful words daily and use them in sentences. For example, if you learn the word excited, use it like I am excited to watch a movie tonight. Write these words in a notebook and review them every evening. Slow learning is strong learning. Part 5. Listening more, speak better. Listening is a secret key to fluent speaking. Listen to English podcast, songs, news, or YouTube video daily. Pay attention to pronunciation, rhythm, and tone. Try to repeat what the speaker say. This is called shadowing. It will improve your accent and help you speak more naturally. Part 6. Learn basic grammar, but don't fear it. Grammar help you make correct sentences, but don't let it stop you from speaking. Focus on the basic tense, pronunciation, and sentence structure. Once you understand them, practice speaking instead of memorize rules. Remember, children learn to speak before they learn grammar, and so can you. Part 7. Stay constant and confident. Learning English take time. Don't expect to be fluent in 1 month. Even native speakers learn new word every day. So be patient and stay consistent. Practice for at least 20-30 minutes daily. Celebrate small wins when you understand a new word, when you speak a sentence confidently. That's progress. Confidence comes when you stop worrying about perfection. Fluency means communication, not perfect. So friend, this was my simple guide on how to learn to speak English fluency. Remember these golden steps. Think in English, speak every day, listen more, and never give up. If you found this vlog helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Let's make learning English easy and fun together. See you in the next video. Thanks.